guys, this is Imanshi. Welcome to my channel. This is my first ever YouTube video. So I thought of doing an art journal spread with you all. This one here is titled Feel Good. Since these are the toughest times for some of us, I thought we need this one specially, and why not remind ourselves how to feel good again. Here I'm using the Montex High Speed 0719 silver pen and also the Uniball Signo creamy white pen in the thickness 0.7. I thought I'd use some black tape which has some floral prints on it to go with the theme of the journal, but I kind of didn't like it, so I ended up using this golden washi tape with some hexagonal boxes in it, and it turned out pretty well. Also, I'm using some of my old black and dark blue craft paper. I am just tearing it with my hands because that's how I like it. I don't really like it in complete rectangular or square shapes, but if you want, you can totally use the scissor. The music that you hear in the background is Feel Like That. In case you like it and you want to hear it, I'll put the link in the description box below. I ended up writing this quote that I found on Pinterest, which says, "Do all things with kindness, everything has beauty." You will get to know in a while why I use this quote and also this theme. Meanwhile, just enjoy the music. Here I'm using some old newspaper cuttings. I just like to cut random things from the newspaper and collect them, and I see whenever I can use something from my collection in any of my journals. This one particularly has a man figure with lots of food on the table, and guys, nothing, absolutely nothing more than food can give me more happiness. I do have a food blog on Instagram. I'll leave the link down in the description box below if you want to go and check that out. And come on, who doesn't like food? Coming back to why this theme and why this quote. So I have a friend of mine who has a newsletter kind of thing. So basically, you subscribe to that, and then she sends you weekly mails about some new aesthetic, cool things, or simply some positive reminders, or music, or art. This morning, I woke up to reading one of those mails about Zen habits that remind you how you should take one thing at a time, be it as simple as eating or listening to music. Sometimes we try to do multitasking and end up being a mess and feeling overwhelmed. So, basically, what I'm talking about here is practicing mindfulness. I somehow ended up writing a lot in this one, but maybe when I look back to it, this will be a humble reminder to practice mindfulness. In case you want to subscribe to their newsletter as well, I'll leave the link in the description box below, and you can obviously take a screenshot if you want to read the whole thing I've written. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to stay connected for more.
Can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we can start. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like I want to run me and stay with me. Feel like I want to stay with me, baby.
I'm using some cute penguin stickers that I got from Momoso to give it a final touch. I chose this black one to kind of go with the whole black craft paper vibe, and I did this borderline kind of thing with my silver pen and some doodling here and there with my Faber-Castell Pit Artist brush pen. Also, the journal that I'm using is from Momoso. I will leave all the art supplies in the description box below if you want to go and check that out later. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you liked it, and give it a thumbs up. Leave in the comments below if you would like to see me making more videos or what you want to see next. Subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. Take care.